Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our webinar from classroom to boardroom with XU Exponential University. My name is Laveen Melwani, and I'm going to be your host and pilot for today. And I'm going to give you guys great insights about our university, our career services offerings here at our university, as well as our exclusive partnership with SAP. So welcome everybody to this class from classroom to boardroom webinar, our first series of webinars that we'll be doing throughout the year. So stay tuned for more information on such webinars with our newsletter that you can sign up on from our website. All right, fantastic. Welcome everybody. I know you're joining in from different parts of the world. We have people joining in from the Philippines, China, England, Portugal, Germany, also as far as Georgia as well. So a very warm welcome to everybody. And as we say here in Germany, willkommen nach Deutschland. To introduce myself formally, my name is Laveen Melwani, and I work here with XU Exponential University. So, in case of any of you have questions about our programs or also about applying with XU Exponential University or even studying with XU Exponential University, I'll be happy to then give you more information about that later after the webinar. And I'll also post about our contact forms and also our meeting links in case if you guys like what you hear today, you can then schedule meetings with us as well during the webinar.
Career services at XU Exponential University. What do we offer? We offer comprehensive career support to help you navigate your professional journey. Our job search support provides guidance on finding the right opportunities, while we also do some resume and interview coaching, which helps you refine your applications and improve your interview skills. Through internship opportunities, which we might come to later in regard to SAP as well, we connect you with real-world experience to enhance your career prospects. And also, our career counseling offers personal guidance tailored to your goals. And we have also networking events that give you the chance to meet industry professionals and expand your connections. And there also our employer connections, such as SAP, grant you access to job openings and recruiters, ensuring you have the best possible opportunities for career success. BA and MA journey at XU. How is it different in terms of traditional universities? First of all, I think many of you know that undergraduate and postgraduate students have distinct expectations and requirements as they operate in separate stages of their academic and professional career. At XU, for bachelor students, we start with career coaching to define your goals and explore your options. This is so-called discovery phase, where students engage with company projects in various modules and also work with career services to gain internship experience. We support in finding internship as it's a mandatory at the bachelor studies, refine the specialization in the final year to shape post-graduation career. And as master students, you have already chosen your specialization and have therefore a clearer career goal in mind. And our focus is on refining your CV, understanding or help you understanding the German job market in digitalization, tech, sustainability, and guiding you through job applications. For business and MBA students with work experience, we help align your skills with available internships and craft strong motivation letters based on job descriptions.
And this is what the SAP job system is all about. Once you kind of understand those hard skill sets, once you kind of understand that mindset, you understand the German culture, you understand the company projects with them, this is where you'll be able to get into the SAP ecosystem. Because studying here at XU Exponential University gives you an exclusive access, sorry, I'm going to repeat that word again, access into the SAP ecosystem, where you then have all these kind of various jobs in business and technology that you can access to, and they are looking for these kind of key skill sets as well. And some of them could also be with the SAP Career Starters program. In case you're a bachelor student and you're looking to get into your career, you could look to get into the start program as well. You could also look to get into the next talent program as well. They have various different dashboards. They have various different places where you can look to integrate yourself. They also offer a lot of certificates that we offer at XU Exponential University if you decide to study with us. And there are many different ways. And if you decide to take your career journey and you decide to take your study journey with us here at XU Exponential University, you will definitely be able to open up this personal career path and find your way into the SAP ecosystem and get your first foot into understanding your career better through their ecosystem and through their internship and job network as well. They also have a graduate jobs dashboard where you can then apply for these jobs if you have graduated with XU Exponential University. So, like, what are the 5 steps to success in the ecosystem? I would say A, that obviously we have the dashboard and the access to the ecosystem, and that we currently have the introduction offering with SAP and the digital transformation and sustainability. Then we'll do the individual assessment of students to match the skills and skill sets of what SAP needs and what SAP offers and what their business technology opportunity offers, and also in terms of career opportunities with SAP. And this is also part of our career coaching and career development that happens here at XU Exponential University. And also, one of our career SAP experts like Peter would hold this workshop for our students to help them understand what would be the 5 steps to currently access the SAP ecosystem and how to kind of land that first internship or their dream career with SAP ecosystem, and then also help them develop their individual career journey, their study journey, and also have an integrated learning path so that they could then access the internships and jobs available with SAP, and also then have continued support and update from our career services team, from our professors, from the companies that we work with, and also other networking events that we do with SAP professionals and other company partners that we have here at our wonderful university. And then always to do a regular career check-in. And like Space says, you need to be the author of your own career script. So start writing it and learn how to get in. Yeah, and another important factor would be empowering the long-term success at SAP and then preparing you exclusively for the interviews at SAP. And this is something that we also do with our career services team, and our career advisor here at our university is to prepare you for those interviews and help you understand what kind of questions you should answer and what kind of questions you should expect. So maybe Space, I'll come here and ask you another question again. So what do you think a big company like SAP will ask someone who has fulfilled these skill sets in order to get an interview with them as a first question to them during one of the first interview rounds?
Well, I think it depends on the job. I don't think that it depends as if it's a people job where you interact with many other people's or employees. I think it's or is it more like a software development job where you sit at your desk and program. But let's take like we have a normal staff in a in a team. I think it's very important that the social fit is matches what SAP is looking for. And I think best is to be yourself. It doesn't help if you um, try to be someone else. Be as authentic as you can. And I know it's sometimes difficult because you are under pressure and you want to do everything right. But it's very important to be open, to be, of course, friendly, answer the questions friendly. And I think they will also ask you questions how you would act if someone, or react if your supervisor criticizes you, or a team colleague criticizes you. So all those like social skills question will be the ones once you've passed the technical part and you are applicable because of your studies and whatever you've your internships or work experience. Then they will go to the social skills and pick on everything, a single detail, and try to find out if you have resilience, if you can work under pressure, or how you fit in the social um, in the team in terms of social matching.
Wow, fantastic insights there, Space. Thank you so much for that advice and guidance. Yeah, and I think that's what a lot of companies look for, like you rightly said, the cultural fit and the social fit. And when you study with us, and if you're looking at doing these company presentations, you do develop those kind of communication skill sets and presentation skill sets and that kind of mindset as well, which can then help you answer these questions and then also be your natural self to evolve to then look at if you might be and if SAP can be a good cultural fit for you as well. Sometimes you have to also ask the question the other way around. You don't have to always look at it from the company's point of view, but also ask it if you really want it and if that's going to be the environment where you think you're going to be successful. Because not everybody does well in a bigger environment or a small environment. We all have to see what's really good for us.